Today we're going to review this quick connect for garden hoses. For example, all you have to do is hold that and then insert, and there you go. That's it. That's essentially the concept. Okay, so I have already installed this one right here and the other tip hole on that one, and then you will hear a click. So sometimes it's difficult, especially the first time you use it. But to remove that, just same thing. So now when you're ready to remove the garden hose or this head right here, all you have to do is just remove that. And now I have already installed this one here, and all you have to do now is same thing. There you go.